Removal of soundbar in my JK. There are 6 bolts plus the 2 main bolts that hold the Freedom panels in place. Remove those first, then remove the 2 bolts in the center section. They have a little length to them. And keep track of them. If you're doing this by yourself, as I did, I put my seat backs back a little bit and used a pressure, a towel or something that you can press between the headrest and the actual sound bar to hold it in place while you take the bolts out. You do not want it to drop because there are electrical connections on the passenger side that you will need to unplug. That was the center bolts. Now I'm doing the passenger side bolts. They bolt up into the roll bar. Notice this sound bar is not dropping down because I have it supported with the towels pressed firmly between the sound bar and the headrests. Now for the last 2 bolts on the driver's side. Place all 6 bolts together and keep track of them. You will need them for the installation. Back to the passenger side, because this is where you'll find your plug for the dome light and the speakers. I'm going to take this towel out, holding the sound bar in place, and slowly drop this side down, making sure the other side stays on top of the towel till I see the plug for the electrical. There is a little clip that you press and you pull that out. That's done. Support that, but it doesn't have to be supported so tight. Back to the driver's side, remove the pressure from the towel, drop this section down, and remove the sound bar. A very simple process.